Okay, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. We have already read about the framing, right? Data link layer. In data link layer, we read about framing. Now the second thing is, which is the characteristics of data link layer. Basically, it does three things. I told you. What is the first? Yes. Second is so if you know all these things, all the three things, how we do that, you have understood the data link layer without any issues. But you need to understand all the algorithms and protocols basically, which we use to have line discipline, to have flow control, and to have error control. Not error, it should be error control, right? Anyways, what is a line discipline? Line discipline says who gonna send data, who has the right to send. I should say like this: who has the right to send? Should, because if you have many devices who are contesting for the bus, right? Now who among them will send? Because if everybody starts sending, they will collide, and nobody will, right? So the first thing which is there, okay, how we do this is basically we have two things here. One is the enq acknowledgement, enquiry acknowledgement, and second is poll select. Now what is enq acknowledgement, what is poll select? First thing is to think about if we have no confusions that if I send data it will go to the recipient which is not intended recipient. Okay, for example, in this room I am only having here Mumin and me. Okay, and if I am talking, there is no confusion that Mumin will understand that I am talking to the Azhar or Abid or anybody else, because there is nobody else in the room without he and me. Okay, unless he is not mad. If I am talking, then it will be you. I am talking to the Mumin, right? Because if there is nobody else. So when there are two systems only, have a dedicated link in between, and they are talking to each other, there is no confusion that this data will go to some other. But only thing is who will decide who will talk, right? Are you getting me? That means what I am saying is that if I am having a two systems, this is system A, this is system B, right? And they have a dedicated link. We have a dedicated link on them, because this is only two systems we have, and we will remove this contention that we have two systems. Then we go to the poll select. This is for multi-systems, or we can say multi-point systems. This is for multi-point systems, multi-point, and this guy is for the single point. Means that there are two guys only. There is no confusion that the data can go to the wrong recipient. That is in this case, but we remove that assumption in this poll select when we have multi-point systems. So in this, if I'm talking, right, to this guy, or this is talking to this guy, okay, what is called as, this is called as a peer-to-peer. The if we have read it, if we have seen the architecture, what architecture here we have is peer-to-peer, right? It is not necessary that you have only two systems in a peer-to-peer. We can have 1,000 systems, but the thing is that we are point to point. We are dealing with point to point. Means I am talking to a particular guy, then I am talking to another guy. It is not like a broadcast system, okay? Or it is not like a client server. If there is not peer-to-peer architecture, then second architecture is what? Client server. Is it? It's not. I'm saying it's not client server. It's a peer-to-peer. In client server, we could have multi clients talking to the server, right? At that moment, we have to say who among them want to send, or a server would like to see that who will receive the data, because there are many people who can receive. For example, here this is like you and me. I'm teaching here. It is like a client server. You are all clients and a server. If you want to ask a question, I have to understand who among you are trying to ask the question. And if I want to send to the particular guy among you, right? I again have to understand who I would like to send, right? Because this time I'm teaching, right? I'm saying something, everybody is receiving it. So we have to see a lot of things. First, let's work on that. If we have point to point, I'm talking only to the movement. The question is, if the clock starts, movement starts talking, I start talking. Who will listen? Is it? We had to restart our talking. And sometimes it happen that you also talk, I also talk. Then somebody will stop because we have intelligence. We stop. We have the protocol inside our brain. We understand. Okay. और समटाइम्स से ओके ओके अच्छा आप बोलो, आप बोलो नहीं आप बोलो या कुछ। जब लड़कियां बातें करती होती हैं तो कोई वहाँ पे एक साथ वो सब बातें सुनता कोई नहीं है, वो कोलिजन ही कोलिजन होता है। हैव यू सीन दैट when two girls or women talk each other, they're both talking simultaneously, nobody is listening. Nobody is listening. So we will not do that here, huh? We'll see that one guy will start talking and another guy will receive that. Are you getting me? Now question is how who that's what I said here, that in my line display I said who gonna send, who has a right to send. Should system A send or system B send? But if system A send, the B should be prepared, right? Like what we do if for example it is only Mumin and me, right? If I want to say something to the Mumin, what I'm saying, but what will say in the first place, I will say like that, I will say shh. Sometimes I will say shh. What say shh? To get him alert, to see whether he is listening or not. And he either do with the head, yeah, he say and he say yes sir, yes, what sir, yeah, like that, is it? Then I will understand that he is ready, then I can send now. The same thing we do in a protocol here, right? That we will enquire, that is what is here, enquire. Vertical, vertical line represent the machine here, the receiver, and this is my what? This is the recipient, this is the sender. The sender first sends ENQ, enquiry frame. What does enquiry does? Hey, are you ready? This is two things in it. One, I want to send. Second, are you ready? Is the B ready? Maybe B is not ready. Maybe B is down. What will mission A will send? For example, Mumin is sleeping, and I will start telling him whole story. Now, what is the use? Unless the Mumin is not ready. Okay? So that is what I am saying. We enquire the B. If he is ready, okay, he will have what he will do? He will do the nod of the head, right? Like Mumin does the nod of the head, or he say yes sir, or what sir. What we say in that, he will give back us what is called as an acknowledgement, that I am ready. ACK, he will send a frame of acknowledgement if he is ready. If he is not ready, he will say negative acknowledgement, right? NAK, NACK, negative acknowledgement, that I am not ready. Or maybe the acknowledgement will not come. Are you getting me? Maybe acknowledgement doesn't come. Acknowledgement आया ही नहीं, वो तो हो सकता है बी डेड है, उसने इंक्वायरी फ्रेम ही नहीं पकड़ा, तो एक्नॉलेजमेंट कहाँ भेजेगा? या बी कोई और काम कर रहा है. Listen what I'm saying. Or B कोई और काम कर रहा है. It is not necessarily B is tied with only A. It could be tied with other guys. He is receiving data from other guys. He is not ready to receive from the A. So what he will send is a negative acknowledgement. Okay. But for time being, we say okay, he is ready now. Okay, he is ready. If he is ready, he will send what? Acknowledgement. It's acknowledgement. A is the guy who wants to send. That is what the inquiry who sends the inquiry wants to send. Now, if acknowledgement comes, what does that mean?
B is ready.
The B is ready. Now A can send the data, no problem. No, send it. That means Mumin is not sleeping. Mumin is not busy with some other guy. He is not on phone. Okay. That means he is ready to receive what I am telling him, and I am telling him the data. Okay. I am sending some data to the Mumin that you are very sweet, like that. Now I can send it. Okay. And you get what I'm saying? So this is called enquiry and acknowledgement. Then you send the data. and he again sends me the back the acknowledgement.
May receive data receipt.
Yes, because I have to send it. He has to send me that. Then I can send again the data. He can again send acknowledgement. I'm receiving. Again send data. Again and so on. This will go on. Okay. And what happens at the end is you will send the a frame, what is called EOT, end of transmission. When you send the end of transmission, means the connection is broken. Connection was created here, right? Here we had the connection creation, because we had to first create a connection, a handshaking, what we sometimes call as a handshaking. Okay, we handshake with each other that yes, I want to send data. He said okay, send data, like that. Then I send data. It's not like I start sending data, it will go into waste. Okay, if the bee is dead, it's quite common. So if the bee is dead, or bee is not ready, or bees are busy with some other jobs, I cannot send just start sending data when I want. It's not like that. But first I should set enquiry frame, which inquires the bee, are you ready, or should I send some data? And he will say okay, acknowledgement. If he says okay, then I'll send data. It's very simple. But it's only for a single device, a single peer-to-peer connection between the two devices. But what if we have a client-server architecture in which we have many clients, or we sometimes call it primary, secondary. Okay, we have many secondaries and one primary, or we have what we say as many clients and one server, right? Then we have to do something what's called a pole select. So what are we trying to read? Line discipline means who is gonna send, how you send, what to send, that is different story. We already done framing तो हम कर चुके हैं ना, कैसे frame बनाएंगे and all those techniques. अच्छा, अब हम जो ये हमारे पास ये assumption था कि we have only two devices peer to peer. Now we have a primary secondary connection. Like we said, we have a one system which is a server, and we have many clients over it. Client A, client B, client C. Okay, they are tied together with the same bus maybe, and this is my server. Like we have read arbitration, right? Arbitration नहीं पढ़ी हमने कि कौन किसके अंदर arbitration is central, decentralized, right? Is it centralized or decentralized?
Central. तीन चार अलग-अलग device.
Because this is the arbiter.
जी send.
Decentral में क्या होता है?
इसमें अपने लिए होता है.
Yes, arbitration logic is the machine itself, that who is gonna send. It's up to him who is gonna send it. We will discuss the protocols on that later on. Okay, maybe tomorrow we'll discuss the protocols of that. But here I'm saying that if we have a client server architecture, and I'm assuming that this is the guy who has the arbitration logic and all. He's the guy who will serve the requests of the clients. Okay, if client has to send, listen, if client has to send to the server, okay, they have to first request server. If client has to send this is the client A, client B, client C. C has to send to the B. It can't directly send. It has to send via the server. Are you getting me? It's just a via server, because if it starts sending individually without any control, then there will be collision. C can also send at the same time, B will also send at the same time, A will also send, because the bus is common, the common shared bus. They will collide, and there will be a lot of chaos. Okay, out of 100 only one time you will be succeed, 99 times there will be collision. So we will not allow that. So we said, oh, you had to send, baby, just ask first the S, the master. If he allow you, then it's okay. If he doesn't allow, stay there, right? So he will tell who's gonna send. This is what is line discipline. We are trying to create line discipline for multi-point systems. Getting me? This is for multi-point systems, where we have client server architecture, or sometimes we say it's a primary, secondary. This is our primary, these are our secondaries. You getting me? These are our secondary devices. The question is how how to start how to start a connection. And I said we have what for that? Enquiry acknowledgement, or yes, we have poll select, not ENQ acknowledgement. That was for the peer-to-peer. For multi-point we have poll select. Because we have two situations here. One, the server wants to send. Second, server wants to receive. Now, should server send or should server receive? If server has to send, okay, he will simply select particular guy. Are you getting me? So if server has to send, for example, the first case, if server wants to send, okay, then we use a select. We use what? We had two things, poll and select, right? Select we use when server wants to send. Getting me? For example, here, if a server wants to send, what he does is, if he wants to send to the B, if he wants to send to what? He will send a select frame to the B, right? Directly to the B only. But basically, they will all receive it, but their address is not in this frame. This is a select frame. I will send a select frame. This select frame has the address of B. It will go to the A also because it is the broadcast bus. It will go to the A, but A will see it is not from me. Right? For example, I will say Ramiz. Everybody of listen, or you are listening Ramiz, but Ramiz only will, because the address of Ramiz is in this. Are you getting me? Like I will say Ramiz will go out of the class. It will go to the Abed, it will go to the all of you guys. Will Shaista go out of the class? Because I said Ramiz will go out of the class. Because the address was for the Ramiz. But Ramiz is still not going out of the class. कैसे gives the dummy frame? Anyways. Now the B is a recipient and he knows it's for me, so it will receive. But if the B is busy, he may be busy because it is B. Okay. Why he is busy? Maybe he is doing some other job. Right? Maybe it's a weekdays and he is trying to rest. He's sleeping or something like that, or he's crashed or whatever. Then what he does? If he is busy, what he will do? Very good. He will send negative acknowledgement. Okay. Then server will understand that B is not ready. I can send. Or if he is ready, then he will send acknowledgement frame. It will be same like then. Now it will be same like what we did in a enquiry acknowledgement. But here we had a select first. Select means I am ready. Are you ready? I want to send. He says yes, I am ready. Now what will be the response from the server, Sabreen? What?
Data sent.
Exactly, it will send the data because now there is no problem. Send the data. The data was you are very sore. Why it be all sweet? Okay. But he has to respond back. He is telling me he will send an acknowledgement that yes, I received. That means I received the frame. This is sometimes called the flow control. I will tell you what is this flow control. This will read in a flow control basically. Right? But here we are saying who actually our thing is up to this to make a connection and who will send. After we don't worry how they send. Okay? And same because you can send again the data and acknowledgement, again data and acknowledgement, and at the end you will say EOT. Our line distance up to this only. Okay? यहाँ से जो आपका है ना, this is about flow control, how we do that. But this is the actual thing that who will send data. Whether have you got a right to send or not? Will you send at this moment or not? No, we are sending because we got the acknowledgement. Connection is being created now, and we break at the end connection called EOT. Now this was when the server sent. Now the thing is, the server wants to receive. That means some guy wants to send, and it could be anybody, right? Sending was a bit simpler, receiving is a bit complex, and we use here the poll. If client or secondary wants to send, or in other words we can say if server or primary wants to receive, ठीक है? अगर क्लाइंट या सर्वर जो आपका है वो रिसीव करना चाहता है, he wants to receive, ठीक है? अब पता नहीं कौन भेजना चाहता है, क्या ए भेजना चाहता है, बी भेजना चाहता है, सी भेजना चाहता है, ये तो पूछना पड़ेगा ना एक एक करके. तो क्या करेगा आपका ये सर्वर, क्या करेगा? वो एक एक करके पूछेगा, क्या ए तू भेजना चाहता है, बी को क्या तू भेजना चाहता है, हे सी डू यू वांट टू सेंड, एंड लाइक दैट. This is called as a polling. It's called as what? Say for example, if C wants to send, so data we should get data from the, this is our A, this is our B. Now I make a simple boxes. This is our C and this is our server. Okay. First, server will poll to the A, but A को कुछ भेजना नहीं है. What will A send? Yes, what? Then definitely your S will poll to the B, that hey B, do you want to send? And B is saying no, I don't want to send. Negative acknowledgement. Hey, I don't want to send. Right? Now it's asking to the C, AC, do you want to send? If you do not want to send, then he will say no, I don't want to send. Make these lines a bit slant, right? Not like this, because the slope of the line also tells us where to go. Anyways, we have the arrow, so we can understand this is from this to this. Okay, but the slope of the line will tell us where from we have flow. So C, if C has to send, then yes, I want to send. Okay, what will happen? Let me tell you what will happen now.
More data.
Who will send data?
More client.
Client. Should client send data or server send data? This is a poll. This time we want to send data from this, so he will not send acknowledgement, rather he will send a data, because he wants to send. If the poll comes in, that means when the poll comes in, that means server is active. Server is asking me, would you like to send? Why I will send the chuka ready? Acknowledgement means are you ready, isn't it? Acknowledgement means what? Are you? When the server is telling me, hello C, do you want to send? Why should I tell him then again, are you ready? He will say, you are mad, I am asking you to send, isn't it? You are not getting. If server is, if I am telling you, yes, much is, you want to say something? Now you are telling me, are you ready, sir? Should I say? This is nonsense, because I am telling you.
Whatever I'm ready.
So there is no need to say, are you ready? Send data now, because he is ready. When he is polling, means he is ready. No need to send acknowledgement. Send data. Now who will send acknowledgement? Server will send acknowledgement. He will say that I have received it. Means I have received, he can send another data. So he can send another data and all. And he will send acknowledgement. Right? If it is finished, now he will say EOT. If he doesn't want to send more, he will say bas itna kafi hai. Okay? This is what is called as a poll select. This is for the multi-point systems. Getting me? Any confusions? This is how we do the line discipline. This is how we do the, because we have only two architectures, either it will be peer-to-peer or it will be client server. So in both cases we have discussed. Now we move on to the next thing, what's called as the flow control. Why we need flow control?
How much we gonna come?
But why we need flow control? Yes, that is what is, हमें कितना भेजना है, कितना भेजना है, क्यों ऐसा करेंगे, क्या जरूरत है फ्लो कंट्रोल की?
Capacity.
मैं भेजता गया और मोमेंट सुनता गया, लेकिन इसमें ये ड्रॉप हो गए पैकेट्स, क्योंकि इसकी स्पीड उतनी नहीं है जितनी जल्दी मैं भेज रहा हूँ. ठीक है, ये उतनी जल्दी नहीं रिसीव कर रहा, ये कह रहा है मुझे ठहरो मैं पहले लिखूंगा. ठीक है, like I am writing here and I will start another topic. You will skip. But what do you say? What you are telling me? Wait. We will jot it down on a copy, right? Same algorithm we will use in a flow control, because we can overwhelm the receiver, or sometimes we swap the receiver. If we are fast sender, it can overwhelm the receiver. The receiver will go, actually he doesn't have a capacity to handle all those packets, they're coming so fast. Okay, and so we need to have the flow control there, so that we will understand that what I am sending, he is getting that. But with that we have also the error control. We have what? In error control, what does that mean is, we understand that there could be errors. My frames could be corrupted, they could be garbled, acknowledgement could be garbled. Are you getting me? Now what we saw the acknowledgement coming, but that could be, acknowledgement could be garbled. The noise came in, it take away the acknowledgement with it. Now what will happen in that case? Isn't it? If you see on the top what we did, if the acknowledgement which we were expecting the acknowledgement to come, it is not coming. Now he can't set the data unless the acknowledgement has come. So these all issues are there now in a flow control. Okay, we want to make flow smooth, and we want to be sure that the receiver receives the data exactly what sender sends. Now whatever the architecture is, we don't worry about that. Any architecture, peer-to-peer or the client-server architecture, but what we are basically dealing with is flow control, and we say that flow control is for noiseless channels and for noisy channels. We first work with noiseless channels, which are never there. Noiseless channels are never there, there are always noisy channels. Why we read the noisy channel is to understand properly, then work with the noise. Work things with the noiseless channel, then work same thing with the assumption that there is noise. And when we have a noisy channels, okay, then we need to have error control with that. Flow control plus error control. Are you getting me? The first protocol which we'll use is the simplest one, which has no flow control, no error control. Let us first say no flow control, no error control, and how the things will work. What will be the protocol? What is basically a protocol? What will be this protocol? What will be this? What is this? This is a set of, we said this are rules. But what is this exactly? I mean, this is hardware or software or what it is. It will nothing be a code of a program. It will be a program code. Will make things happen. How do we read in operating system? We read about the algorithms. What were they? What were they? They were protocols. They were also protocols. I say Banker's algorithm. You said any Peterson's algorithm or Decker's algorithm. What was that? They were protocols because they make it. They make that whatever we are doing in some according to some rules. Now Peterson, when you say Peterson comes in, so that there will be mutual exclusion. There will be no race condition. That was a protocol. What was that? That was a protocol. The same thing is here. It will be much easier for you because we have a lot of algorithms on operating system. Okay. Now here that will be much easier for you to understand these things, because this will be the same stuff algorithms, but a bit easy, not that much. Now flow control, I said noiseless, and I say first thing which will never be there, but it is for understanding. Then we work on bit on it. Okay, we add flow control to it, we add error control to it, and so on, and we grow. And the first thing is we have what's called a simplest algorithm, simplest protocol. Now we don't in networking say algorithms, we say protocol, but they are algorithms. They are the algorithms basically. Simplest protocol. We have a term protocol here, but they are algorithms. Remember that. Okay. What is simplest protocol is? The basic thing is like this. We have the layers. We know many layers of the OSI layer. We will not talk about other layers. There are other layers here. This is my network layer. This is my data link layer, which I'm talking about. This is my physical layer. Okay. This is the data link layer. And same guy is with the recipient. Say for example, he is sender, he is recipient. Now whosoever it is, we don't care about flow control. We don't know. It may be the peer-to-peer or it may be the client server. But we have to see the flow control. Whosoever now send. Because flow control happens after the connection. Line discipline will say who will start the transmission. How connection will establish. Now data is coming. Flow control says now. It starts when the data is after the connection. Line discipline say only the connection. Right? After that starts the flow control. अब कनेक्शन आपने कनेक्ट किया है, अब आपका फ्लो कंट्रोल चालू होगा कि आप स्वाप ना करें अपने सेंडर को, अपने रिसीवर को आप बिल्कुल ओवरवेलम ना करें, ठीक है, एंड ऑल दैट, और यू मेक इट श्योर दैट व्हाट यू सेंड वो रिसीवर पकड़ रहा है. यहाँ पर भी तो फिजिकल लेयर होगी, ठीक है, यहाँ भी डिटेल लिंक लेयर होगी और यहाँ पे अपना नेटवर्क लेयर होगा और बाकी लेयर्स आपके हैं ही. But when we talk about the data link layer, the sender wants to send to the receiver, right? We want to send data from here to here. The packets will come from the network layer to the, is it? This will happen. A data link layer will make a frames out of that. उसका अपना header लगाएगा, trailer लगाएगा और frame बनाएगा and say give to the physical layer. Physical layer यहाँ से इसको भेजेगा, ठीक है, and to this physical layer, to the recipient's physical layer. Recipient physical layer इसको देगी data link layer को. Data link layer अपना ये header shudder इसको strip off करेगा, ठीक है, वो इसका ये फ्रेम जो उसने बनाया था यहाँ पे, इसको पता है ये मेरा फ्रेम है, ये इसका मेरा हेडर है, इसको स्ट्रिप करेगा, इट विल स्ट्रिप इट ऑफ एंड गेट पैकेट्स आउट ऑफ इट, गिव टू द नेटवर्क लेयर. नेटवर्क लेयर फिर ऊपर देगी अपने लेयर्स को. बेसिकली हम बात करेंगे हम नेटवर्क और, क्योंकि डेटा लिंक लेयर डजंट नो अबाउट द अदर लेयर्स. दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ लेयर्स, बिकॉज इफ यू वांट टू चेंज नेटवर्क लेयर यू डोंट हैव टू चेंज द डेटा लिंक लेयर. अगर आपने प्रोटोकॉल आपने प्रोग्रेस कर ली, कुछ आपका इसमें हो गया, अब एडवांसमेंट आ गया, कोई एडवांस्ड आपने प्रोटोकॉल्स लगा ली नेटवर्क लेयर में, यू डू नॉट हैव टू चेंज डेटा लिंक लेयर, राइट. और अगर आपने यहाँ पे ऑप्टिकल फाइबर लगा लिया, आपके पास ट्विस्टेड पेयर था, यू डू नॉट हैव टू चेंज द डेटा लिंक लेयर अदर लेयर्स. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव लेयर्स इन इट. इफ वन चेंज इन वन लेयर विल नॉट अफेक्ट द चेंज इन अदर लेयर. गेटिंग मी? सो वी कैन चेंज easily without having any effect. Now the question is data link, यहाँ से आपका नेटवर्क लेयर से आता है डेटा. We'll call that as, for example, get data. A procedure who will get it is a program code called get data, okay, which will get the packets from network layer into the what?
Data link layer.
And data link layer will do what? Make frame. Another function call make frame, okay, because it will make frame. This is only a call, I'm saying only call, but there will be a procedure, complete procedure how we do that. We will not go into the depth of that, but we said just it gets the data, it makes the frame, and it sends what? It is sent to the physical layer, then send it. Is it? On this side, what will the data link layer do? What will it send or receive? It will receive. It will receive, basically receive frame, or should I send frame? Receive frame, then strip. Let me call it strip frame. So strip करेगा, ठीक है, दो ही काम करेगा ये. फिर नेटवर्क लेयर का काम है वो लेना वहां से. अब ये तो नहीं इसको पिलाएगी ना, वो तो नेटवर्क लेयर इसको. तो ये दो चीजें यहाँ पे होंगी. इट विल रिसीव फ्रेम एंड इट विल व्हाट्स कॉल्ड स्ट्रिप फ्रेम. Strip frame means it will remove those headers. जो इसने अपने हेडर्स एंड ट्रेलर्स रखे थे इस नेटवर्क डेटा लिंक लेयर ने, यहाँ पे वो इसको स्ट्रिप ऑफ करेगा, पैकेट्स निकालेगा, देगा किसको? नेटवर्क, एंड इट इज जॉब नेटवर्क लेयर टू टेक इट। यू गेटिंग मी? सो हम पहले जो सिंपलेस्ट प्रोटोकॉल है, हम कहते हैं कि फ्रेम्स जा रहे हैं, अब भेजो, कोई बात नहीं है, कोई फ्लो कंट्रोल नहीं, जाओ भेजो 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 और ये काम करते जाओ। ठीक है, जब आपकी मर्जी चालू करो, ठीक है, इंजन चालू करो, उसको दे दो और वो पकड़ता जाएगा। देयर इज नो फ्लो कंट्रोल कि आप कहीं फास्टर तो नहीं हो, ये कहीं स्लोअर तो नहीं है, या कोई एरर तो नहीं है, कोई चीज नहीं, कोई फ्लो कंट्रोल नहीं, कोई एरर कंट्रोल। दैट्स कॉल्ड सिंपलेस्ट प्रोटोकॉल। So what will be the protocol in code now? We will have the first, the while at the, what is this? Sender. This is the sender side. While true means it will always enter the while true loop. While true do begin, as you know. Here I have braces. That means this loop will run forever. Okay. Now here what he will do is he will wait for event. This will be a monitor, conditional monitor. Okay, you forgot monitors? After semaphores we read monitor. Is it? We read monitor or semaphore. You say this is a wait, semaphore wait, or this is a monitor, conditional monitor, which waits for an event. Means what it does is it sleeps until some event occurs. Can you tell me what will be that event? जोर से बोलो यार, मैं सुनता नहीं हूँ। जिस, yes, you're right. Exactly. तो जिस कंडीशन पे आपने इसको लॉक किया हुआ है, जब तक कि वो कंडीशन फुलफिल नहीं होगी, it will be sleeping in a sleep queue. What will be that condition? What will be that event? गेट डेटा तभी चालू होगा ना, जब गेट डेटा आप चालू करोगे तभी। ये चीजें आप चालू करोगे जब आप स्लीप से बाहर आ जाओगे। बट व्हेन यू आर इन अ स्लीप, यू आर स्लीपिंग ऑन अ कंडीशन, बिकॉज लूप तो चल रही है कॉन्स्टेंट, वाइल ट्रू में, आपके वाइल लूप में हो, लेकिन आप सो गए हो यहाँ पे, यू आर ऑन अ स्लीप क्यू। Absolutely, maybe we can say like that, because what we say in exact term is when the network layer has to send something. So when data link layer will have an event from a network layer, request to send, request to send. जब नेटवर्क लेयर इसको रिक्वेस्ट कर रही है कि भैया मुझे कुछ भेजना है, तभी जगह तो डेटा लिंक लेयर काम करेगी। वो डेटा लिंक लेयर काम करती है नेटवर्क लेयर के लिए, किसके लिए? जब नेटवर्क लेयर के पास कुछ है भेजने को, तो डेटा लिंक लेयर जाग जाएगी, भैया वो तो लगी रही है, डेटा लिंक लेयर इज रेडी ऑल द टाइम, बिकॉज कभी भी आ सकता है डेटा, इट इज रनिंग but in sleep. It is not wasting CPU time, right? It is sleeping. It's not like you have to start the data link layer protocol. It is already running. It is all the time ready, क्योंकि आपका नेटवर्क लेयर कभी भी भेज सकता है ना डेटा। बात समझ आती है? But the thing is that the network layer जब इसको स्लीप से वेकअप कराएगी, because network layer will have a request to send, and request to send will be द इवेंट। ठीक है, ये आपका कंडीशनल जो आपका ये था मॉनिटर था, वो इसको स्लीप से जगाएगा डेटा लिंक लेयर को, डेटा लिंक लेयर के प्रोटोकॉल को, बिकॉज इट वाज वेटिंग फॉर एन इवेंट, एंड वी सेड इफ इवेंट कौन सा होगा? रिक्वेस्ट टू सेंड, तो ये इसको जगाएगा। ठीक है, अगर ये इवेंट हुआ तो क्या करेंगे आप डेटा ले लो कहां से? So if request to send comes in, the event comes in, what should we do? Get data from what? Who is getting? And what will you do now? Beautiful, make frames. So make frame. Okay, function call should be small and camel casing, right? Functions, do you remember Java or you forgot? We read a lot of Java, you know. And make frames. When you make the frames, then what? You got to send. To what? Physical layer. And we don't worry about how physical layer is taken and all. We are on a data link layer basically, flow control. This will be very simple here. And we are doing only this much in case of my this. And this is the end of the, this is the end of what? While. Okay, while true. This will be always running. You getting me? But there is no flow control in it. We will add flow control to it tomorrow. And what will the receiver doing? Add the receiver. We'll carry on with this tomorrow. And then we will have the flow control to it because we're getting late. Receiver. Time is already up. So what we will do in a receiver? It will again say while true do begin. If you do say brace, that is do begin. No need to say do begin because if you have a brace. You getting me? Again you wait. What I read? Yes, it will also wait for event. Wait for event. So it basically sleeps until some event occurs. And what will be the event now? If event, अगर event यहाँ पे होगा, कौन सा event होगा बताएंगे आप? ये recipient का है. देखो यार, ये तब काम कर रही है जब यहां से कोई डेटा आ रहा है. इसकी डेटा लिंक कब आएगी? जब इसको कुछ भेजेंगे हम, जब फिजिकली उसको कुछ भेज रही है. यहां रिक्वेस्ट टू सेंड था. ओके, यहां पे अराइवल है, जब कोई फ्रेम अराइव आ गया, आपका कुछ आ गया है, फिजिकल लेयर पे कुछ आ रहा है, कोई वोल्टेज आप सेंस कर रहे हो कि आ रही है और फिजिकल लेयर बता रहे हैं डेटा लिंक को, भैया मेरे पास आ रहा है डेटा, ये लो. जब अराइवल आ गया है, ठीक है. देखो आपका एक दुकान है, वो आपको वहां पे आपको माल आता है ट्रक्स में से, ठीक है. तो ट्रक्स में माल आता है, आपको वहां आपने बंदे रखे हैं जो उसको लेते हैं, दुकान में रखते हैं. वो तो स्लीप में बैठे हैं, वो दे आर स्लीपिंग ऑन ए कंडीशन अराइवल ऑफ ए ट्रक. एंड द ट्रक कम्स इन, तब जाके वो अपना प्रोटोकॉल शुरू करेंगे, कैसे उनको अब ये करना है, इसमें से ये पैकेजेस निकालनी है, ठीक है, और फिर कस्टमर्स को देना है, किसी को देना है, लाइक दैट. सो व्हाट विल बी द इवेंट हियर? Arrival of data, right? This will be even something like arrival of data. जब डेटा अराइव हो रहा है तब आप क्या करोगे आप? रिसीव करेंगे, है ना? रिसीव करेंगे डेटा. रिसीव डेटा, फिर क्या करेंगे उसका डेटा का, उसमें से अपना वो स्ट्रिप ऑफ करेंगे, ठीक है. शुड आई से स्ट्रिप फ्रेम और व्हाटएवर, इसको स्ट्रिप करोगे, ठीक है. फिर काम किसका है? वो उसका अपना प्रोटोकॉल चलेगा, क्योंकि उसका अराइवल आ गया ना, वो फिर अपना नेटवर्क का लेयर अपना प्रोटोकॉल चलाएगा, जिसमें वो क्या करेगा काम, वो इसमें गेट डेटा करेगा. नेटवर्क लेयर विल गेट डेटा एंड मेक पैकेट्स एंड ऑल एंड डू व्हाटएवर, और फिर ऊपर देगा अपनी लेयर्स को. लेकिन ना हमने इसमें कोई फ्लो कंट्रोल किया, ना कोई एरर कंट्रोल किया. हमने कोई एजम्पशन नहीं की. इफ यू कुड सी, वी आर सेइंग दैट कि डेटा आ गया, रिक्वेस्ट सेंड है, चलो हो जा शुरू, बना फ्रेम, भेज इसको, और भेज, चल भेज. ये क्या करना है, फ्रेम आ रहा है, आने दो, स्ट्रिप ऑफ करो, इसको दे दो. हमने सिर्फ इतना किया. हमने कोई ये चीज़ नहीं किया कि कहीं ये फ्रेम गलत तो नहीं था, गड़बड़ तो नहीं था. हमने ये नहीं किया, इसने भेजने के वक्त ये नहीं किया कि क्या रिसीवर ले सकता है, ये वो कोई ओवरवेलम तो नहीं होगा, कहीं वो बिजी तो नहीं. नो फ्लो कंट्रोल, फ्लो कंट्रोल कोई नहीं किया. टुमारो वी विल डू ए फ्लो कंट्रोल एंड देन वी विल ऐड error control. Maybe tomorrow we'll do both of these. And for that, we will not have a simplest protocol. Rather, we will start with a stop and wait. And this adds our flow control. This is the first protocol which adds the flow control in the data link layer. Are you getting me? Okay. So this is end of the segment. See you tomorrow, inshallah.